Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Literature. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 9 most evil characters in Shakespeare play. So before any further discussion, let's get started. Number 1, we have Claudius. Claudius is one of the main antagonists of Shakespeare tragedy Hamlet. He is the brother to King Hamlet, so he took over the throne of Denmark by murdering the previous king, who was his brother King Hamlet, and later marries to Gertrude, the wife of late King Hamlet. At the end, he was stabbed and poisoned by Prince Hamlet. The next important character we have is Iago from Othello. So Iago is one of the most sinister villain that you will ever find in Shakespeare tragedy. He is the antagonist in Shakespeare tragedy Othello. He is a schemer, manipulator. He is the husband of Emilia and a soldier and a trusted advisor of Othello. He hates Othello so much that he made a plan to destroy him by making him believe that Desdemona is having an affair with his lieutenant Michael Cassio. The next character we have is Don John. Don John is the villain of the romantic comedy Mas Ado About Nothing. He is the illegitimate brother of Don Pedro. Sometimes he is called the bastard. Don John by nature is a bad-tempered person, and it is he who creates a dark scheme to ruin the happiness of Hero and Claudio in the play. Okay, the next important character we have is Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is one of the most famous and frightening female characters that you will ever find in Shakespeare tragedy. Lady Macbeth is strong, ruthless, and ambitious. It is she who suggests to Macbeth that they should kill King Duncan in order to make the witch's prophecy come true. In fact, she is sometimes called the foot witches of the drama, and it is her who pushes Macbeth into committing the murder of King Duncan. The next character we have is Caliban from The Tempest. So Caliban is one of the important characters in Shakespeare play The Tempest, and he is the son of the witch Sycorax. He is half human and half monster, and he is the only creature inhabitant of the Caliban Island. When Prospero, the exiled Duke of Milan, and his daughter Mirinda landed on his island, the creature sees the Duke as a conquering invader. In fact, Caliban also attempted to rape Mirinda, and he also plots to murder Prospero too. The next we have is Macbeth. So Macbeth is a brave Scottish general who receives a prophecy from a trio of witches that one day he will become king of Scotland, and consumed by ambition he killed King Duncan and takes the Scottish throne, and later he becomes a tyrannical ruler, and at the end of the play he was killed by Macduff. The next character we have is Edmund from King Lear. So Edmund is the most complex and sympathetic character you will ever find in Shakespeare play. He is a schemer, a Machiavellian character who is willing to do anything to achieve his goals. And he is the illegitimate son of the Earl of Gloucester and the younger brother of Edgar. Along with him, there are two more important villains in the play. They are Goneril and Regan, the two elder daughters of King Lear. At the end of the play, Edmund is killed by his brother Edgar. The next we have is Shylock from The Merchant of Venice. Shylock is a Jewish moneylender in Venice. He lends money with high rates of interest. So in the play, Shylock demands an actual pound of flesh from Antonio, who is a prominent merchant of Venice, for defaulting on a large loan. The play is set in the late 1600s. It shows how the inequality between Christianity and Judaism helps drive Shylock's evil intention and desire for revenge. The last character we have is Cassius from Julius Caesar. So Cassius is a noble Roman and mastermind behind Caesar's assassination. He is a general, a longtime friend of Julius Caesar, but because of Caesar's powers, he gets jealous, and he thinks that the people of Rome treat Caesar like a king, and frankly he does not like it, and that is the reason he includes Caesar's best friend and close friend Brutus into the plot to kill Caesar, but later on he allows Brutus to lead the conspiracy. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.